Welcome. Let us see how we file the KRA tax returns using the P9 form. In this tutorial, we are going to use the Excel sheet method to file the returns, and I'll use the P9 form from the Teacher Service Commission. First thing, visit this website, itax.kra.go.ke. Then once you're in that site, you need to have your PIN number, that is the KRA PIN number, and the password for this site. Insert the PIN on this page here, then click continue, then put the password, and then you need to do this computation here. Click login. So once you logged in, click on returns, then click on file returns. So you'll have this window here is a taxpayer PIN, tax obligation. This section, select the first one, income tax resident individual, then click next. So once you click next, you have this window, type of return, original, and then I want you to concentrate on these. Number 5, click on submit. So you need to click where we have the Excel sheet. So click here to download the Excel sheet. That is what you're going to use to file. So once you download it, open the Excel sheet. So here is the Excel sheet. You can click enable content, and then this is the Excel sheet. It has, so do not copy, cut and paste. You're not supposed to cut and paste values in this workbook. So as you can see, there are different sheets here. Employment income, details of paid deducted, QIT payment, then tax computation. So we are going to start with basic information, and this is where we are going to enter our personal identification number, that is the KRA PIN. So enter it. Then after doing that, you go to the type of return. Type of return, click on this drop down menu. You have the original or amended. We are filling it for the first time. We are not amending, so it is original. Then the period, return period, we are in the year 2024. So filling for the previous year, that is from 1st of January 2023 to 31st, supposed to be 31st of December 2023. That is all you need for this part. You don't need to fill all the others. Do you have partnership income? In case you have them, you can click yes. In case you don't have, you can proceed. The next sheet here, that is employment income. Click on the employment income. You know what is wrong there. So return period, we said that is 31st. I think I made a mistake. 31st of December 2023. Then that is all you need in that part. And from there you can go to employment income. So click on the employment income. So on the employment income, you start with the PIN of the employer. The PIN of the employer is provided in the P9 form. The P9 form is here. So the PIN is here. This is where the PIN is. So you just need to copy that. Then from there, go to the next, name of the employer. that is the Teachers Service Commission. Then go to the gross pay. Gross pay, go to the P9 form. The P9 form, you can see where we have the taxable pay. So this is the total here. This is the taxable pay. In case there was arrears here, you could simply add whatever you have here plus the arrears. That could be the gross pay. Now that we don't have the arrears, we have 00. You simply take whatever this figure that is here. So not this figure that is here. This is what you're supposed to fill here. Then allowances and benefits, you don't have that. Net value of the housing, you don't have that. Then pension in excess of 300,000, you don't have that. So go up to the end, Excel sheet, you need to fill this part. This part is very important. January, June, that is January to June income, you need to fill it there. January to June pension, fill it there. Delete this. So all these you need to fill, and you're reading this one from the P9 form. So let me go to the P9 form. January to June income. So January, this is a taxable pay. So January to June, add everything from January, this column, to June. So get that total, add everything. Yeah, need to add everything there. So when you add January taxable pay from January to June, we've already done that. So enter the figure there. Then January to, this is January to June pension, go to the P9 form where we have the pension, it is here, pension is here. So you need to add from January all the way to June, add all those figures. So when you add, this is what you get. Then July to December, July to December income, July to December income. Here again, July to December income. Go to the P9, July to December income. So from here, taxable pay, July to December. So you add everything. That one will give you and then the other one is here, July to December pension, July to December pension again. So pension is here, the column for pension is there. So July to December, add all those figures. And this is what you're going to get. So that is all you need for that part. Once you've done that, go to the next sheet, that is M details of the pay deducted. And again, for this part, you start with the PIN of the employer. We already did that. Then the name of the employer, we had already indicated that. And and then taxable salary, that is the gross pay from the P9 form. It is here, taxable pay, the total that we have here. Just confirming something, it is okay. 785,034, it is okay. Then tax payable on taxable salary. I'd like you to be very keen here. Tax payable on taxable salary. For that one, you need to add something. You're going to this column where you have pay auto, that is the tax. So get that figure 13126.4, then add total relief, that is MPR. Add this figure here, 28,800. That is what is going to represent tax payable on taxable salary. So add the two. So pay auto 13126 plus 28,800. That will give, I've already done that. You get on 60, 06.40. And then go to the other one, amount of tax deducted, payee, amount of tax deducted. That one, you get it from the pay auto, the total payee. Either this figure, it is the same, 131, this is the figure that we are looking at. This figure that is here, this is the total. And then you need to write it here. $131,206.40. Then once you've done that, there's something that you'll notice. The amount of tax payable or refundable, that is a payee, that one you get it as 28,800, and that represents from the pay slip here, from the P9 form, it is the total MPR, 28,800. That is the figure that you should get here after doing that computation. After you've done that, you don't fill anything for QIT payment credits. So click the next tab, that is tax computation, T-tax computation. Then for this part, look at whatever you have, defined pension contribution. Defined pension contribution, go to the P9 form. This column where we have pension, take the totals for that column, that is 43,012.95. So that is a 43. And then the other thing that you need to do is personal relief. Personal relief, you get that one from the P9 form again. So this one is the total MPR value, which is 28,800. 28,800, and you're done. After doing that, you need to check down here the figure that you're having. You're having a very small figure, that is 0.60 cents. So when you find you have a very big value here, you need to recheck all the sheets where you might have gone wrong. If you find everything is okay, then you just leave it like that. So the first thing, if you find a very big value here, just go and confirm. Most cases you find it is this part where you have January to June income, January to June pension, and so on. So once you've done that, now the next thing is clicking validate. This one will take some time. Now after doing that, you'll see a message popping up. Sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate the upload file? Click yes. Once you click yes, you'll find the location where that zip file is stored. So you read this message to know where the file has been stored. Click OK. Then you go back to the site. Go back to the site. Go back to the KRA site. And then down here, you can see we have choose file. Click there. Choose the file. Then remember where that zip file was located. Most of the time it is located at the documents folder. So it is here. I know it by the time it has been saved. So click that file, then open, and you'll find it here. Then agree to the terms and conditions. And then after that, click submit. Do you want to upload the form? Click OK. Once you've done that, you'll get this message here. Return submitted successfully with acknowledgement number. The number is given there. So you just need to click download return receipt, and a copy of the same will be sent to your email. And that is how you're supposed to file KRA returns using the Excel sheet. Thank you.